In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data to FreshBooks. We'll walk through importing your items and services list so you can get up and running faster without manually typing every line. To start, open your browser, go to freshbooks.com and sign into your account. If you manage more than one business, confirm you're in the right company profile before moving on. Once you're in, head to your main dashboard, scroll down if needed, and focus your attention on the left-hand navigation panel. That's where the tools you need live. Find and open items and services. This is the central place where your products, service descriptions, unit costs, and any tax settings are stored. Inside this section, look for the Import Items option. Click it to launch the importer. You'll now be prompted to choose a file. Select the CSV you prepared with your items and services. A clean CSV with clear column headers tends to import best. Common headers include name, description, unit cost or rate, SKU, and tax. Keep prices as plain numbers, avoid currency symbols, and make sure there aren't extra blank columns or merged cells. If your file includes services and products together, that's fine. Just be consistent with your columns. After your file uploads, FreshBooks will show a field mapping screen. This is where you match each column from your file to the correct FreshBooks field. Carefully pair name to name, description to description, and your price column to unit cost or rate. If you have SKU, map that as well. For any columns you don't need, choose the option to ignore them so they aren't imported. Take a moment to scan a few sample rows to confirm everything lines up, paying special attention to decimals and tax selections. When the mapping looks right, proceed by selecting Import Items. FreshBooks will process the file and add the items to your list. If anything doesn't import, you'll typically see an error message pointing to the row and column that need attention. Fix those values in your CSV, often it's a stray symbol or missing name, then upload again using the same steps. For peace of mind, save a copy of your original CSV and consider testing with a small sample first, then import the full list once everything maps correctly. That's it. Your items and services are now in FreshBooks, ready for invoicing and estimates. If you notice duplicates, you can remove them from the items and services list or adjust and re-import. Thanks for watching and happy importing.